Hey, what's up guys, in this video I'm reviewing the Sennheiser HD 450BT headphones. If you're on the hunt for a pair of over-ear wireless headphones that offer noise cancellation, strong battery life, and that signature Sennheiser sound without breaking the bank, then stick around because this might just be your next audio upgrade. Let's get started. Also, the link to these headphones will be included in the video description below. Right off the bat, the Sennheiser HD 450BT comes across as sleek and minimalist. You won't find any flashy logos or wild color accents here. It's a very understated aesthetic. Solid plastic build with a matte finish that feels more premium than it looks. The headphones come in black or white and both look pretty clean. Now, while the build is mostly plastic, it doesn't feel cheap. It's lightweight, sturdy enough for daily use, and compact thanks to the foldable design. The headband and ear cups have a bit of flex, so you're not going to worry about these snapping if you toss them into your bag. The ear cups swivel and fold inward, making them easy to pack up in the included soft carrying pouch. That said, I do wish they came with a hard shell case, but hey, budget-conscious choices had to be made somewhere. Moving on to comfort, the HD 450BT is what I would call comfortable enough. The ear cups are decently padded and the clamping force is firm but not aggressive. These are headphones you can wear for a couple of hours without needing a break, but you will probably start feeling a bit of fatigue after that, especially if you wear glasses or have a larger head. The headband has some padding but not much, so if you are sensitive on the top of your head, it might not be ideal for all-day wear. Still, for commute length listening or casual use, they do the job. Now, let's talk about sound quality because this is where the Sennheiser HD 450BT really steps into its own. For headphones in this price range, the audio quality is generally impressive. Bass is tight and present but not overpowering. You get punch and impact without it muddying up the mids. Speaking of mids, vocals come through clearly, especially in acoustic or vocal heavy tracks. There is a nice warmth to the mid-range that feels rich without being too colored. Highs are crisp, detailed, and never harsh. There's enough sparkle to bring life to tracks without becoming fatiguing. The overall sound signature is balanced with a slight lean towards warmth, making it great for long listening sessions across multiple genres: pop, rock, jazz, EDM, you name it. And while the soundstage isn't huge, these are closed back headphones after all. There's decent instrument separation and depth. You won't feel you're at a live concert, but it doesn't feel cramped either. By the way, prices on these headphones update almost weekly with sales and other general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, simply check out the video description and you'll find the latest prices. And of course, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Active noise cancellation is present, and for the price, it's pretty solid. Now, let's be real, it's not going to compete with top-tier ANC models like the Sony WH-1000XM5 or the Bose 700, but it definitely does a decent job. Low-frequency sounds like engines or air conditioning are noticeably reduced. Higher-frequency sounds still sneak through a bit, but overall, it's a nice addition that adds value. It's especially useful on commutes or in coffee shops where you want to cut out a chunk of background noise. There is no transparency mode, which is a bit of a miss, especially if you like to hear ambient sounds without removing your headphones. But at this price point, that's not a huge surprise. One of the standout features of the HD 450BT is its battery life. You're looking at up to 30 hours of playback with ANC turned on. That's pretty impressive, and for most users, it means you can go days, if not weeks, without reaching for the charger. Charging is done via USB-C, which is great to see. A full charge takes about 2 hours, and there is a quick charge feature that gives you around 2 hours of playback from a 10-minute top-up. That's perfect for those "oh no, I forgot to charge" moments. Now let's talk about usability, controls, and connectivity. The HD 450BT uses physical buttons rather than touch-sensitive panels, and honestly, that's a good thing. The buttons are responsive, tactile, and well-spaced, making them easy to use without taking the headphones off. You got buttons for volume, playback, ANC toggle, voice assistant, and power. The layout is logical and easy to remember after a few uses. In terms of connectivity, it uses Bluetooth 5.0 and supports aptX, AAC and SBC codecs. That means you're getting solid wireless performance and better than basic audio quality. Pairing is quick and stable, and you can even connect to two devices simultaneously, which is super convenient for switching between your phone and laptop. There's also a headphone jack if you want to go wired, and the included cable has an inline mic, which is a nice touch. Now let's talk about Sennheiser Smart Control app. You can also pair the HD 450BT with Sennheiser Smart Control app. It's basic but functional. You get a simple equalizer to tweak the sound, firmware updates, and battery level info. It's not a must-have app, but it's nice that the option is there if you want to customize your sound a bit. Just don't expect tons of features, it's pretty minimal. Portability is another strong suit. With the foldable design and lightweight build, these are easy to throw in a backpack and go. The included pouch helps prevent scratches, though I do recommend grabbing a hard case if you travel a lot. Durability-wise, the all-plastic build means you'll want to be somewhat careful, but the construction feels robust enough for everyday use. As long as you're not throwing them around, they should hold up just fine. Now, let's talk about price and value for your money. The Sennheiser HD 450BT typically sells for under $200 and often goes on sale for even less. At that price, you are getting very good sound quality, solid ANC, great battery life, and a brand name that's respected in the audio world. It's not the flashiest pair of headphones, there is no crazy smart features, spatial audio, or gesture control, but what you do get is a reliable, good sounding, comfortable pair of headphones that gets the job done and then some. So, is it a good choice? Wrapping it all up, the Sennheiser HD 450BT is one of those headphones that might not grab your attention at first glance, but ends up being a really smart purchase. It nails the basics, good sound, decent ANC, long battery life, and a compact build. It's not perfect, but for what you're paying, it delivers an experience that's hard to beat in its class. If you're shopping for quality wireless headphones on a budget, you should absolutely give these a look. Let me know in the comments, guys. Are you planning to pick up these headphones, or are you going to stick with what you already have? That's it for this video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful, and make sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on these headphones. See you in the next one.